Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Near protocol. And if you remember, in the previous update I believe we were right around this area, and the idea was that maybe we're gonna have another move down and we're gonna do something like this. But after it, I said I'm hoping that we get another very strong move on the upside. So what happened? Definitely not this scenario. We did get a move down, but this was much deeper than I initially expected. Now, here's the deal. Despite the recent move down in here, I think there might be still some hope. Why is that? You see, if you want to be optimistic in here and say the final low is already in, then okay, I think you can still argue maybe this is 5 up into 1 correction for wave 2, and then we're gonna have a move up into wave 3 for 5, and on a higher degree maybe that's going to be into a wave 3 corrective movement for 4, another move up into wave 5. So the idea is that basically, again, just if you want to insist on the final low being already in, we are having maybe a series of 1-2s. Now, here's a very important point, and I need you to pay full attention to what I'm about to say. In my opinion, the moment that in here we get a move down either from the current point or maybe a bit higher, and in that move we take this important low down here about, let's say, $2.50, at that point you are going to see me saying in here the bullish scenario in this area kind of got invalidated. And sure, maybe at that point there is still some possibility suggesting maybe like this is 1 and this is 2, but the shape of that impulse on the upside, if I really have to force it on the chart, it's going to be so odd to a degree that it's going to make me say, you know what, it's probably going to be my alternate scenario, definitely not my primary case. If we do see another move down in here and that move we take this low, at that point you are going to see me saying, you know what, maybe this is an A, B, C in form of a zigzag after all. And let's just take the waves again, sorry about that one, something like this, indicating that our move down in here, maybe it's going to continue, and in that move we may take the lowest low down here about $2.1. Does this mean from here we're going to go like a whole lot lower? Probably not, because in terms of classic technical analysis, meaning support and resistances, we talked about this subject so many times, there is an unbelievably important support area in here between 1.9 to about $2. So if we do take this low, I don't really expect near to go a whole lot lower, and maybe from this important support we are going to have a very strong bounce back and start the next phase of the bull run. So for now and in the short term, let's focus on this important level and see, are we going to take it or not? If we take it, it's not going to be a good sign. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Near protocol's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.